Xiaomi's next flagship, the Xiaomi 15T Pro, has just popped up on Geekbench, giving us a clear look at what's under the hood. The global version of the phone is powered by MediaTek's latest Dimensity 9400 Plus processor, clocked at 3.73 GHz, paired with the Mali-G925 Immortalis MC12 GPU. On Geekbench, it scored 1611 points in single precision, 1572 in half precision, and 2223 in quantized tests. That's serious performance. The listing also confirms Android 15 out of the box, and 12 GB of RAM, making it a true powerhouse for 2025. And thanks to a recent TikTok leak, we also have a first look at the design. The 15T Pro will feature a bold squircle-shaped Leica camera module, finished in a metallic bronze-like tone, with a flat frame and a matte rear panel, giving it a premium yet unique look. According to earlier reports, the Xiaomi 15T Pro will pack a flat OLED display with high refresh rate, a triple camera setup with a 50MP main Omnivision OVX9100 main camera, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel Samsung JN5 telephoto camera. It is also expected to get a massive 5,500 mAh battery, with 90 watts fast charging, and possibly a metal build with IP69 rating for durability. With multiple certifications and now a Geekbench listing, the Xiaomi 15T Pro looks almost ready to launch, likely this September.